What if I told you that you don't need months to look bigger? You can literally look bigger today. Most people think muscle size only comes from years of training. But the truth is, your body can appear fuller, tighter, and more muscular within hours, if you know what to eat. This isn't about fake pump tricks or filters. This is about real physiological changes happening inside your body. Glycogen loading, water retention in muscle cells, sodium balance, and blood flow. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful foods that make you look bigger instantly. Foods that increase muscle fullness, enhance your pump, improve vascularity, and give you that dense, muscular look on demand. These are the same strategies bodybuilders use before photoshoots and competitions. But almost nobody talks about them in a simple, practical way. And the last food? It can change how your muscles look in under an hour. If you've ever wanted to look more muscular without waiting months, this video is going to change everything. How instant size actually works. Before we jump into the foods, you need to understand how instant muscle size actually works. Your muscles don't just grow from protein, they expand based on glycogen storage, water retention inside muscle cells, and blood flow. When you eat certain foods, your body stores glycogen in your muscles, and for every gram of glycogen, your body stores multiple grams of water. This makes your muscles look fuller, rounder, and more defined. At the same time, sodium and potassium control fluid balance, which affects muscle tightness and vascularity. Blood flow also plays a major role. More blood in the muscle means a bigger pump. So when you combine the right carbs, minerals, and hydration strategies, your physique can change in hours, not months. That's the science behind looking bigger instantly. Food number 1, white rice, the instant fullness food. The first food that makes you look bigger instantly is white rice, and it's one of the most powerful tools for muscle fullness. White rice is a fast-digesting carbohydrate, which means it quickly replenishes glycogen stores in your muscles. When glycogen increases, your muscles pull in water, making them look fuller and more rounded almost immediately. This is why bodybuilders rely on simple carbs before stepping on stage. White rice also digests easily, so it doesn't cause bloating if eaten properly. When paired with a small amount of sodium, it enhances the pump even more. If you eat white rice 60 to 90 minutes before a workout, you'll notice a visible difference in muscle size and vascularity during your session. It's simple, but extremely effective. Food number 2, sea salt, the pump enhancer. Sea salt might not seem like a muscle-building food, but it's one of the most powerful tools for looking bigger instantly. Sodium controls how much water your muscles hold and how well your muscles contract. When sodium levels are balanced, your muscles look fuller and tighter. Low sodium makes you look flat and weak. Adding a small amount of sea salt to your pre-workout meal or water increases blood volume, improves pumps, and enhances muscle definition. It also helps your body absorb carbohydrates more efficiently. This is why combining salt with carbs like rice creates such a strong visual effect. The key is balance. Too much can cause bloating, but the right amount makes a huge difference. Food number 3, bananas, the pump stabilizer. Bananas are one of the best foods for maintaining muscle fullness and preventing that flat look. They are rich in potassium, which works alongside sodium to balance fluid levels in your body. This balance is what keeps your muscles looking full instead of bloated. Bananas also provide quick digesting carbs that fuel your workout and increase blood flow to muscles. When your potassium levels are optimized, muscle contractions improve, pumps last longer, and your muscles maintain that round, full appearance. This makes bananas perfect before workouts, photos, or anytime you want to look your best physically. Food number 4, honey, the instant energy spike. Honey is one of the fastest ways to instantly increase muscle fullness and vascularity. It contains simple sugars that enter your bloodstream quickly, giving your muscles immediate energy. This rapid energy spike increases blood flow, which enhances your pump and makes veins more visible. Honey is often used right before workouts, or even between sets for an extra boost. It also works perfectly when combined with salt, creating a powerful pump combination. Within minutes, you can feel and see the difference. This is one of the fastest visual transformation foods on this list. Food number 5, potatoes, the dense muscle look. Potatoes are one of the best foods for creating that dense, thick muscle look. They provide a mix of complex carbs and potassium, which helps muscles stay full for longer periods. Unlike fast carbs that spike quickly and fade, potatoes provide sustained fullness and energy. They also help regulate water balance, preventing bloating while keeping muscles tight. When used consistently, potatoes can make your physique look heavier and more solid. This is why many athletes rely on them during peak weeks or before important events, stacking these foods for maximum effect. The real secret isn't just eating these foods, it's combining them strategically. Imagine this: white rice for glycogen, sea salt for pump, bananas for balance, honey for instant energy, and potatoes for sustained fullness. When stacked together, these foods create a powerful visual transformation. Your muscles fill with glycogen, your body pulls in water, your blood flow increases, and your pump becomes stronger than ever. Within hours, your physique can look noticeably bigger, tighter, and more defined. This is how professionals manipulate their appearance. Not with magic, but with smart nutrition. If you learn something new and want to start looking bigger instantly, hit that like button so more people can discover this. Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. For more powerful fitness strategies that actually work. And comment below, which of these foods are you trying first? Your transformation doesn't always take months. Sometimes it starts with your next meal.